Layout update. Wiring stuff. I'm making plans for wiring. I got this really nice terminal block. I got two of them. Um, and then I got these clips to do my not only my bus line but my feeders that are going to go to all my turnouts and all. And I'm going to mount this terminal block onto this board, and this board is going to be hinged on the underside of my layout, so it'll be under there like this normally, and then when I need to work on it, it'll flop down and I can work on it, and then when I don't need to, it goes back up like that. Flop, boom, open, close. So an update on the layout. You remember I had that 90-degree that was going to be from here going out this way. I ditched it. Then I decided I'm going to try to put it parallel like this here and come off over here onto it. It would be 6 inches wide and about, I don't know, 58 inches, 48 inches long. But in the end, it would have 2 tracks, and I would fit 6 cars, 3 cars per track. Not worth the effort, so I ditched it. We'll just keep everything on the layout, and that'll be it. Yeah, the Any Rail deal. I think the fail with that was, I believe, it's not John's fault, but he had my layout at 10 feet long, and at 10 feet long it probably could have worked, but at 8 feet long I can't get a nice enough radius up there to not chew up a lot of real estate back there. So we'll just come up with something for the main part of the layout, 8 foot, and that'll be it. That's pretty much my layout update 2.0. I don't know. This is probably, I don't know. It's an update 7, but I'll just call it 6.5. And I put in more bracing for my fascia. I had to make a little piece to splice in, and it'll go down here at the end. And what I did was, there's a miter, reversing miter on the other part of the fascia, so that it's not a butt joint. It'll just blend right in and you won't see it. I'm not going to plaster over it or anything. I don't really care that much. But yeah, that's about it. So I put all this bracing in, and that piece there at the end is a backing piece, because it kind of comes out a little bit over there, and I want the fascia to sit flat against here, not curved. But yeah, that's about it. It's a mess up there, but it's coming along. So let me show you underneath. This piece here, I'm going to put hinges on that board that you saw in the beginning, and it's going to get mounted here, and it'll come to here. It'll come to the edge, and I'll just have a little turn thing to keep it closed up there. That's it. But that's it. Stay tuned for a real number 7 update, where maybe we're messing with track. All number 5s I'm going to put on here. I'll have 2 number 6s that, I don't know. I'll do something with somewhere else, or maybe I'll sell them somewhere. I don't know. But it'll be on number 5. It's just to save some room, because room is precious. That's it. Take care. Be well. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned. There's more to come with this layout.